What do Barnes& Noble and Virgin Galactic have in common? Well, in 2024, both companies issued reverse stock splits. Well, what is a reverse stock split? Well, I think a better name would be combined stock shares. In 2024, Barnes & Noble issued a 1-for-100 reverse stock split. This means that shareholders now hold only one share for every 100 shares they held previously. Virgin Galactic issued a 1-for-20 reverse stock split. So why would companies do this? Usually it's to boost their share price. Because if their share price has dropped below the minimum required to be listed on a stock exchange, such as the New York Stock Exchange, the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, that is really important for them to get access to the global markets. And so getting that price boosted, well, most exchanges requiring that dollar or more, they give them about 90 days to get that stock price above $1. So they do a reverse stock split. They also do this to make their share price look more attractive. Do you really want to purchase a company stock that is valued at a dime or a nickel or a penny? That's something else we can talk about in a future video, penny stocks. You might ask the question, are reverse splits ever successful? Well, absolutely. Amazon did so in 1999. I'd say it worked out for them. Netflix did it in 2004, and Citigroup did it in 2011. While the stock price changes, there is really no change in the valuation of the company. That 1-for-100 split is merely like taking 100 pennies and exchanging them for one crisp dollar bill. It's worth the exact same. It's just less shares. So now, when somebody says that company had a reverse stock split, you'll be able to answer what it was and be the smartest person in the room. Get fired up.